Yes?
I was just wondering what advice you would give young people who are considering careers as writers. I guess you should buy your book.
Well, I think you ought to read a lot, and I think you ought to write a lot. And those are really the two major things. You can't put it off. You have to really do the work. You have to be well read. I don't have any patience with people who say, "Oh man, I want to be a writer, but I don't have time to read." Well, if you don't have time to read, you can't be a writer. You got to read just about everything. So I think that's the most important thing. And then you have to read, and I mean you have to write in order to develop a style, to create a style of your own. And when it comes to the reading part of it, there's a magic moment, a really magic moment. If you read enough, it will always come to you if you want to be a writer, where you put down some book and say, "This really sucks. I can do better than this." And this got published.